That's my catchphrase, ain't it? Alrighty. Okay, today I'm going to pull this tire off of this rim. It is weather checked. It just doesn't hold no more air. I'm going to smash a new tire on there. So what you got to do is you got to break the bead. This bead's already broke. And then you got to get your rubber down in on the inside of that groove there like that. And then it's just a matter of just prying her out. Work with me. There we go. Just ripping her off there. Just like that. The other side shouldn't be too hard neither. Well, probably an easier way of doing this, but you know me, I do everything the hard way. There we go. And rim off. And this tire they are a tubeless tire, but you can see that it's just weather checked, cracked, and it won't hold air anymore. So that goes to the garbage dump. Now, before you put your new tire on, you want to clean up your bead seal surface. I'm just going to use a dry old rag. Just because that's all I got handy. And then it's just a matter of reversing the process. Sticking a new tire up there. I picked these tires up. I got 2 new ones. Went to the local hardware store. And I'll just kind of hide the name of it just because that's the way we are. But and you can see that. $32.99. Well, when the girl rang it through, they came up as a wheelbarrow tire. I got them for $14.99 a piece. So I thought I did a hell of a good job there. Now, well, it really matters which way they go. If I have, yeah, I'll put it that way. Okay, so now you want to get some soapy water and just lubricate your things here. I gotta go get that, so hold on a second. Alrighty, I'm back. Got some soapy water. Now, I just use an empty bottle. Now, when you're doing these rims and tires, you got to have your soap water mixture precise, exact, or it won't work. So you take that much water and you put a soap in it, and then you've got an exact mixture. Now I'm just going to take I usually got a spray bottle for this, but moving into this new shed and stuff, I just haven't had time to really find all that stuff yet. So just get her nice and sloppy around there. And this will help your tire seal when you get it on the bead. I'm just going to give her a quick wipe, make sure it's nice and clean. But yeah, you don't need a whole lot of this soapy water, just enough to make everything slip and slide and schlooben. So then you just kind of give her a ram in there. Ouch! That hurt my damn finger. And then it's just a matter of getting your pry bar in there. You gotta kind of be careful not to damage the seal surface of your tire, the bead. But they're pretty durable little units, so Like I said, there's probably an easier way out there, and somebody's going to tell me about it, but whatever. Okay, there, we've got that done. Now, basically just reverse on the other side. A little bit of schluben glubin. And you want a fair amount of soap in your water. Like not just a couple of drops. Give it a good squirt so that it's slippery and slick and all that shit. Now this is the part that I always have a problem with. You want your valve stem away from you so you don't wreck it. And then you just kind of get it over there somehow. Come on. This isn't going to work for me today because I'm filming this. That's why. I wish I had a tire machine, but I don't. Hold that into place. Put a pair of vice grips right on the. Kind of want to start now. Go down there. Here we go. Starting to go. But I'm losing it because there we go. Just about got her there, people. One more little. There. Son of my bits. Okay. Now it's just a matter of hitting her with some air. And to do that, I've got to plug this in. So you're not going to hear nothing for a minute. I'll shut this off. I'll edit this out. Okay. Got the tire on there. I'm going to seat the bead. I just want to throw a little bit of this soapy water just kind of around there. That makes it it'll slide over the rim a little easier. Do the same to the other side here. And then it's just a matter of hitting her with some air. Oh, she's gonna go. There's one. Another one didn't want to pop, so I was supposed to put 12 pounds of air in there, but I got a lot more than that in there. But when they don't bead up for you like that properly, just take a hammer. Come on, you little bugger. There we go. Now she's all beaded up. Put my cap on my lid because I got 2 tires like this to do. Now you get your trusty little air pressure gauge. I hope that is leaking. So see that? I got a leak. It's just a valve stem, but it's a leak nonetheless. So that's getting worse. I got 0 in there so far. So Okay, I got 20 pounds in there, but I got a leak, so I've got to find my, my little valve sticky stoopy hooper thing. And I don't have a clue on where I would even start to look for that. So, okay, there's one tire done, sort of. I've got to get a valve stem sealer, or wrench, but that's tomorrow. Okay, thanks.